Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the fingerprint lock in this device. So before set the fingerprint lock, we need to set any screen password. So then only we can set the fingerprint lock in this device. So in this device I already set the pattern screen lock. So now I will show you how to set the fingerprint lock in this device. For this, go to settings, then scroll down. Here you can see the option security and privacy. Tap on it, then tap on device unlock, tap on face and fingerprint unlock, tap on fingerprint. Then here we need to draw or enter our screen password. Now you can see the fingerprint scanner is enabled. So the procedure of to add the fingerprint, first we need to touch the fingerprint scanner with your finger. So when the fingerprint scanner detect your fingerprint, then you will feel one vibration, then lift the finger, then again touch it. You can see when the fingerprint scanner detect your fingerprint, then you need to lift the finger from your device and again touch it, and you need to complete that picture using your fingers. Okay, yeah, that's it. Tap on done. If you want to enroll your face unlock, then you can enroll, otherwise cancel it. Now you can see finger 1 is added. Now let me show you how to work this one. Now you can see at the lock screen the fingerprint lock scanner is enabled. Now touch the fingerprint scanner, it is unlocked. Again I will show you. So simply in this way you can set the fingerprint lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.